Hello and welcome back. Let's see the solution to weather observation station 14. Another SQL question on HackerRank. It says query the greatest value of the northern latitudes, this column or lat_n, which is of type number, from a station table that is less than 137.2345, and also truncate your answer to 4 decimal places. So we are going to find the greatest value in this column that is less than 137.2345. So let's select all the values of this column, select lat_n from station, we have all these numeric values, and we are interested in a greatest value that is less than 137. So in order to get the smallest or greatest value in a column, we are going to sort or order that column either in ascending or descending order. In this case, we are interested in greatest, so we are going to sort this column by descending order. So let's order that, order by latitude north in descending order. So it's going to give us the greatest number at the beginning. So we are interested in a value somewhere between 137 and 136, a value in this range. So we can apply a where class right before the order by clause, where lat_n is less than 137.2345. So we got our value. This is the value we want, and we wanna limit our result set by 1, since we want only one value. So we can apply the limit here, limit by 1. And also we're asked to truncate our answer to 4 decimal places. So let's apply a truncate here, truncate this latitude n by 4 decimal places. So let's run our code. It's accepted, and let's submit. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. We can also do it in a different way using the max function. We know that max function returns the maximum value in a column. To get the maximum value in this lat_n, let's select max of lat_n from station. It's going to give us the maximum value, which was 144 something. Yeah, 144.9. So we are going to also apply our where clause, where lat_n is less than 137.2345. We got our value, and also we need to truncate the result into 4 decimal places. So let's apply the truncate function here. Truncate the max of latitude by 4 decimal place, and let's run it. It's accepted, and let's submit. And this approach is more cleaner. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.